Every masterpiece begins long before the first part is made. Only carefully verified materials are allowed inside this factory. Even microscopic surface damage can affect future precision. Every shipment is inspected before production begins. Chemical composition must match exact engineering standards. Even tiny variations are rejected.
Automation ensures every material is traceable from arrival to assembly. Nothing enters production anonymously.
Flatness is critical before any body panel is formed. Perfect material prevents future dimensional errors. Each blank is shaped for a specific future component. Efficiency begins with intelligent material nesting. One panel may require several forming stages. Gradual shaping prevents microscopic cracks.
Laser trimming achieves millimeter-level accuracy. Clean edges simplify later robotic welding.
Thousands of measurements are captured in seconds. Digital inspection replaces manual guesswork. Aluminum reduces weight without sacrificing strength. These hidden structures improve efficiency and safety.
Controlled cooling preserves structural properties. Temperature affects long-term durability.
Complex geometry is created with micron precision. Tool condition is monitored continuously. Automation keeps production flowing without interruption. Every component arrives exactly when needed. Perfect alignment determines the entire vehicle's accuracy. Everything starts from this foundation.
Hundreds of precision welds unite the first structural foundation. The body is finally beginning to take shape.
The side frame is one of the car's strongest structural components. Its accuracy determines passenger safety and body rigidity.
Laser trimming guarantees consistent panel dimensions. Every edge must match the digital blueprint.
Every hole serves a precise engineering purpose. Many are invisible once assembly is complete.
Tiny dimensional errors can multiply during assembly. Inspection prevents problems before they begin.
A perfectly formed roof improves strength and aerodynamics. Aluminum also helps reduce overall vehicle weight. Smooth edges reduce stress concentrations. Hidden details often define premium engineering. Everything now references the floor structure. Its accuracy guides the entire body assembly.
This joint forms the first visible shape of the vehicle. Precision here affects every future panel.
Symmetry is essential for premium vehicle dynamics. Even slight deviations are unacceptable.
The body now gains its final structural outline. Precision joining begins immediately.
Hundreds of welds are completed in minutes. Automation guarantees repeatable structural integrity.
Modern luxury cars rely on both welding and advanced adhesives. Together, they improve rigidity and reduce vibration.
The body is measured before moving forward. Verification now prevents costly corrections later.
Perfect paint begins with a perfectly clean surface. Even invisible contaminants can ruin the finish.
Electrocoating protects steel from corrosion for decades. Even hidden cavities receive complete coverage. Heat permanently bonds the protective coating to the metal. This invisible layer will defend the body for decades.
Luxury paint demands an almost flawless foundation. Surface preparation determines the final reflection.
Electrostatic painting reduces waste while improving coverage. Charged paint particles wrap evenly around complex shapes.
Controlled curing locks the primer into a durable foundation. Temperature accuracy prevents future paint defects.
Even dust smaller than a grain of sand is unacceptable. Perfection is expected before color is applied. Metallic pigments create depth beneath the clear coat. Uniform application is essential for color consistency. Paint needs controlled evaporation before sealing. Rushing this step could trap microscopic solvents. The clear coat protects the finish from UV light and scratches. Its depth gives luxury paint its unmistakable shine.
The final finish reaches its full hardness inside this oven. Gloss and durability are created together. Advanced imaging checks every square centimeter. Only flawless finishes continue to assembly. The painted shell is now ready to become a luxury automobile. Mechanical assembly begins from the inside outward. A silent cabin begins with advanced sound insulation. Many layers remain hidden for the vehicle's lifetime. Modern luxury sedans contain several kilometers of wiring. Every connector has a unique location. Every control module manages a specific vehicle function. Digital torque records guarantee installation accuracy. This hidden beam supports the dashboard and steering system. The luxury interior will now begin to take shape. The steering column links the driver to every movement of the vehicle. Digital torque records every fastening operation. Many interior systems are pre-assembled before entering the vehicle. This improves precision and production efficiency. Hidden connectors power dozens of comfort features. Everything remains accessible until final trim is installed. Luxury climate systems regulate temperature with exceptional precision. Much of this technology remains completely hidden.
The drivetrain is assembled independently before joining the body. Separate production lines maximize manufacturing efficiency.
This is one of the most iconic moments in automobile manufacturing. Separate assemblies become a single machine. Every critical fastener receives permanent digital traceability. Quality records remain linked to the vehicle for years. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts ride height. It delivers the signature smoothness expected from the S-Class.
Powerful braking is as important as powerful acceleration. Every brake assembly undergoes later functional testing.
The vehicle stands on its wheels for the first time. Automatic torque systems eliminate human error.
Bonded glass contributes to body strength and safety. Precise positioning is critical for sealing performance.
Proper sealing reduces wind noise and water intrusion. Luxury begins with details that drivers rarely notice.
Luxury seating combines craftsmanship with advanced electronics. Comfort systems are integrated before final testing.
Hand-finished materials distinguished flagship luxury vehicles. Each trim piece is individually inspected before installation. The luxury sedan finally takes its recognizable form. Its most demanding tests are still ahead. Before the engine starts, the vehicle receives its digital identity. Hundreds of control units are synchronized into one intelligent network. Advanced safety systems depend on precise calibration. Even a tiny misalignment could affect performance.
Every fluid is measured with exceptional precision. Automation prevents contamination and overfilling. This is the vehicle's first heartbeat. Every system is monitored from the very first second.
The vehicle experiences real driving conditions without leaving the factory. Performance is verified under controlled conditions. Every brake is measured individually. Balanced braking is essential for maximum safety. Luxury means remaining quiet and dry in every weather condition. Every seal must perform flawlessly. Luxury is judged by details measured in fractions of a millimeter. Only perfect vehicles receive final approval.
The final polish creates the signature mirror-like finish. Reflections reveal the true quality of the paint. The final badges are installed only after every quality requirement is met. Identity follows verification. Even after completion, the vehicle must remain flawless. Protection continues until delivery. Months of engineering now lead to a single destination. The vehicle is ready to leave the factory. Every hidden process has led to this moment. Engineering precision now becomes visible.
Thousands of precisely manufactured parts work together as one. Luxury is built through engineering, not chance.
From raw materials to a world-class luxury sedan, every stage demanded precision, craftsmanship, and